So today we have with us Roshi Jain, All India rank 715 CLAT 2026. Huge congratulations,
थैंक
Roshi.
यू मैम
कैसा लग रहा है?
थैंक यू सर
कैसा लग रहा है? How's the feeling?
बिलीव नहीं हो रहा क्लाट खत्म हो गया मैं इट्स अ सरियल फीलिंग
Finally, some break
हाँ
to all the padhai
या
and everything. Family's happy, everything happy.
हाँ
Celebrate कर लिया?
नहीं अभी नहीं
अभी करो. School में pre-boards on?
हम चल रहे हैं अभी
Great. So could you just explain and let us know the entire journey? How has the journey been? What was your preparation strategy? How did you balance everything? Strong area, weak area? एक बार बताना.
वेल आई स्टार्टेड 11th में बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट्स करते देन 12th में मेनली आई फोकस्ड ऑन प्रैक्टिस सो ऑब्वियसली कभी अच्छा होता था कभी बुरा होता था बट 11th से स्टार्ट करने में ये फ़ायदा था कि आई हैड दैट बैलेंस शुरू से तो आई डिडंट हैव टू फिगर दैट आउट 12th में इतना
So that's the advantage of starting early. मतलब starting में थोड़ा theoretical concepts और उस पे and then probably practice oriented. And 11th में pressure भी obviously कम है.
Yeah.
12th में आते ही the pressure starts. So that ways it's a good thing. Yeah, great.
CLAT involves or test your reading things, right? It's a very lengthy paper. Can you tell me how many questions you were able to attempt initially and how gradually you increased those attempts and how you basically increased your reading speed and mastered it actually?
वेल रीडिंग तो आई यूज टू डू शुरू से ही बट द रीडिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू फॉर क्लैट इज़ मच मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स तो when I discovered that CLAT देना है after 10th I started reading the newspaper so the editorials really helped because they let you know the type of passages that come and to process that information really quickly so mainly it was newspapers.
Okay.
So reading newspaper.
How newspaper helped you in mastering your GK things?
हाँ न्यूज़पेपर में आई यूज टू रीड इंडियन एक्सप्रेस सो इनिशियली तो आई यूज टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ दैट स्पेशली द एक्सप्लेन सेक्शन हेल्प अ लॉट बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी न्यू टू जीके मैंने कभी पढ़ी नहीं थी वैसे तो दैट गेव अ लॉट ऑफ बैकग्राउंड एंड हेल्प इन नोट्स ऑल्सो सो
Okay. And did you go through any other things for your GK?
yeah the LST Manthan I used to read monthly wala and weekly wala.
Okay. So out of the 5 subjects, often students ignore maths, saying कि 10% है, 10 marks का ये क्या ही हो जाएगा. So please let the audience know and the law aspirants know that how important is maths and why should you not ignore the importance of maths.
I mean, maths ke bina you can't really get into the top NLUs. So also in the in the exam, some things did not go that well. Like GK did not go as well. So I covered that up in maths and logical also. So maths is more like it gives you an edge in the competition.
Game changer, sort of.
It's
So do
very
not
interesting.
ignore maths. It's important, भले ही 10% है, but then बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. So you cannot underestimate the importance of any subject. That obviously goes without saying.
Can you tell us the importance of mocks and how many mocks you attempted in your whole journey?
I attempted all of the CL mocks. I never used to skip a mock. अगर कुछ होता था तो I used to give it next day. तो mocks are the main thing that help you crack CLAT क्योंकि it's the closest you can get to the real exam. Yeah. तो वहाँ पे 2 घंटे बैठ के देना that gives you real clarity कि कहाँ पे you stand.
And obviously, initially, mock teaches you, मतलब mock throughout teaches you a lot of things. It's not only about your content development, कैसे बैठ रहे हो, OMR कैसे mark कर रहे हो, pressure से कैसे deal कर रहे हो, अपना strong weak area analyze करना. So it's a whole exercise. And one thing that we would like to mention about Roshi is she was very, I think, very disciplined when it came to attendance, did not miss out. Yeah, did not miss out on any class, super consistent. And mock भी I think नहीं miss out करती थी. कोई miss out करा तो Monday, Tuesday तक backup complete करती थी. So for all the law aspirants, it's very important that you do not give up and just be very consistent in the process. Scores dip होंगे, demotivate होगे, but do not let that happen. मतलब just keep going, trust the process.
Yeah.
That's That's, I think,
And
very
can
important.
you tell us the importance of mock analysis? And
हाँ,
कितना time आप devote करते थे for mock analysis?
मॉक एनालिसिस लाइक 1-2 घंटा तो चला जाता था। तो मॉक्स में स्कोर्स डेफिनेटली वेरीज थ्रू आउट द जर्नी, बट वन थिंग दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आई फील लाइक इज़ द एनालिसिस ही, बिकॉज दैट टेल्स यू द रियल थिंग कि कहाँ गलती हुई, कहाँ तुम सुधार सकते हो उसे, कि अगर कहीं ज़्यादा टाइम दे दिया और क्वेश्चन क्यों गलत हुआ. So that helps in the real exam also. You keep in mind the mistakes you made in your previous mocks.
What were your strong areas? And what were your areas of improvement? Strong area के लिए over confident ना हो जाओ, उसके लिए क्या करा था? And how did you slowly and gradually build up your area of improvement वाले subjects?
शुरू में तो आई डेंट रियली सी ये कौन सा वीक है कौन सा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. आई यूज टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल द सेक्शंस. देन इवेंचुअली समझ में आया कि मैथ्स वाज वन ऑफ माय स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग.
Oh, great.
हाँ, GK was my weak point, but I talked to Varun sir regularly, and he helped devise some strategies, and Manthan really helped in that.
Oh, great, great.
Can you tell us the role of career launcher?
Career Launcher helped me guide through the whole journey. The faculty are all very nice, like some of the best teachers I've met, and all the faculty is also very encouraging. They guide you through the whole journey. So, yeah, and the material they provide is also very helpful.
And stress होता था पूरे process में?
Definitely.
कैसे deal करा उस stress से? Before exam, during the process, 11th, 12th grade both, and on the D-Day?
स्ट्रेस तो होता ही था. लाइक कभी कभी मॉक्स में मार्क्स डिप हो जाते थे, एंड कभी बहुत अच्छे भी आते थे, तो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. बट लाइक मॉक्स से पहले तो आई यूज टू डू अ लिटिल मेडिटेशन, तो दैट
Oh.
रियली हेल्प. Like on the D-Day also, I did a 5-minute meditation before going out, and then when we reached there, we were talking to the faculty and we were talking to our friends also. Somehow I was very happy on that day. Yeah.
It's very important to do things that you like, which helps de-stress, which helps in your de-stress process. वो ज़रूरी है, and yeah, take it like another mock. Because जितना stress लोगे आप process को और ज़्यादा, you're interfering with it, and that might not be very good. So yeah, great to know. Any message to the law aspirants out there, people who are going to write CLAT A-Led this year, next year, and we're planning to pursue law as a career? Any message for them?
Well, first of all, CLAT is a very unexpected exam. So you can't fully prepare for it. Just prepare that there will be some shocker there. So, us time mentally you have to be prepared. And don't panic us samay. And be consistent throughout the whole journey. Like, work hard for something you want if it's your dream.
Expect the unexpected. True. CLAT A-Led के साथ तो ऐसा है. And yeah, consistency. I think to all the toppers that we're talking and meeting, one common thing that all of us are advising is
Consistency and discipline.
discipline. That's very, very important. To all of them listening, please stay consistent. Do not give up, like Roshi said, if it's actually your dream. And we're really proud of you, Roshi, for your marks. You really, really worked hard. 2 years, all of us have seen you pushing so much for this paper. So in your entire journey, of course, role of your parents cannot be denied. So we also have with us Roshi's mom. Huge congratulations to you. We're very happy seeing Roshi's result, and I'm sure you must be on cloud 9. So how's the feeling? If you would just like to describe that in few words.
I am really very contented, I would say. Like it was like 1.5 years. She was constantly like she's was working hard every day, like and beyond her limits also, I would say. So I used to feel sometimes that she's under pressure. So how to like pacify it from a good food or what. So but I'm really very happy that she will be in a government college and top 10 NLU, any of the top 10 NLU. So I'm really very happy. And I would like to say one thing, that without career launcher, it was not possible. Because like, as a parent, I am from science background. All of us in the family are from science background, so we didn't know anything about this humanities and law career. She was the one who
First one.
chose it. So the teachers were really very supportive, that sometimes she wanted to give mock on Monday or Tuesday, then I used to text Pulak ma'am, and she's very prompt in answering everything. And GK was her weakest thing. So Varun sir's role is that she used to talk about Navneet sir for like maths also. So I now remember all the names: Priyanka ma'am and Neha ma'am, I think.
Neha.
Yeah. And of course Himanshu sir. He used to like text back any of my doubts and queries.
Himanshu has been a guiding
So,
light.
and Manthan is really good. Like the and especially the mocks. Like without mocks, it was not possible. Like mocks were more or less like the exam only. Yeah. So like mentally also and academically also, they made her prepare well. I think that's it. I've spoken much.
नहीं मैम enjoy, congratulations. And one thing that I would like to mention is कि इस पूरे process में बहुत कम बच्चे होते हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. And I would not be wrong if I say कि Roshi's mother was like more than 100% dedicated in the entire process. कोई मॉक होता था उससे पहले like कोई और पूछे ना पूछे मैम ज़रूर पूछती थी क्या रिजल्ट आया, क्या हुआ, कोई सेशन हो रहा है, नहीं हुआ, क्या अपडेट है, like regarding a performance progress. So I think being involved in the process is very very important. और ये मैम का भी एग्जाम था and
Yeah,
रोशी के साथ मैम has also come
although,
out
like
of
the
flying colors.
credit goes to her.
नहीं नहीं
Like,
definitely मैम we
obviously,
just हाँ वो तो
100%. Like
Definitely.
every parent is supportive.
definitely नहीं but then you were बहुत अच्छे तरीके से engrossed in the process. और बहुत कम लोग इतने अच्छे तरीके से engrossed रहते हैं. Like every mock result, every mock analysis, like इतना neck मतलब so that's
कभी कभी
commendable in your
बोलना
part.
पड़ता था कि भाई जो क्वेश्चन गलत हुए हैं वो समझ लिए ना. जैसे मैं बचपन से ही बोलती आ रही हूँ कि कोई बात नहीं, गलत हो गया ठीक है, पर वो तुम्हें एक्चुअली more than the result, it's about the learning. Like I was like, one thing I like the most, that she has now a habit of reading newspaper, जो कभी भी नहीं थी. हमारे घर में वो माहौल ही नहीं था जीके वाला या फिर मतलब न्यूज वाला. सिर्फ इसके नाना हैं जो न्यूज देखते हैं रोज.
और अब रोशी
सो दिस इज समथिंग विच मेक्स यू अ बेटर पर्सन कि आप किसी सोशल गैदरिंग में जा रहे हो तो आप इंटरेक्ट कर पा रहे हो. मुझे भी आदत पड़ गई कि मैं जब सुबह ऑफिस जाती हूँ तो AIR रेडियो ही ऑन होता है कार में.
ग्रेट मैम ग्रेट.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा, क्योंकि भाई रोशी से नहीं तो बात ही नहीं हो पाती थी ठीक से. She used to educate me about the
nice.
news. So that way also it was fun for me.
Great, ma'am. Great to know. And we wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And we are always there for you. मतलब CL के doors आपके लिए हमेशा खुले हैं. And yeah, enjoy, celebrate till you actually land in college. And all the best for your boards also. Do well there. I'm sure you'll do well there. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.